Namaste. This is Yogi Sagar and today we are going to do an interesting experiment. Now this experiment we are going to do with Rudraksh. Rudraksh are, as you know, as according to Indian mythology, they are sacred beads. They are sacred seeds of a plant. These Rudraksh are extremely intelligent beads. I'll say intelligent because I will tell you how intelligent they are and how they help us uh, to determine whether some things are good for us or they are not good for us. Rudraksh are basically very sensitive beads and they sense the aura, they sense the energy field of any physical substance you put on top of it. So I just wondered, what if we don't have that physical thing with you and we still want to conduct an experiment? Will it still be a legible experiment or will it still be an authentic experiment? I actually don't know whether it will be an authentic experiment or not. But I just tried a few things with words, and as you know, words are very powerful, and words are basically certain vibrations, and they do affect our human system in a way, like in whichever intent you say them, they do affect your mental structure or say your mental balance, or they do affect the human system. So I decided to make some experiments and I decided to do some experiments with the words. So here is what I have a set of paper, and what I am going to do is I am going to write a word and I am going to put Rudraksh on top of it, and let's see how Rudraksh behaves. The first word what we are going to try is, let's say, love. The most misunderstood word. I'm just kidding. So this is what I've written, and as you can see, that's love. So let's see how Rudraksh behaves on top of love. So as you can clearly see, it is going in a clockwise direction. So definitely, compassion, love, world needs them in these tough times which we are facing. So you can clearly see that it is moving in a clockwise direction. So definitely we know that yes, love is definitely pro-life. It is a positive way to live. So let's try with another word. Let's try with as we have seen one which is clockwise. So let's see one which is definitely anti-clockwise. Let's put anger and let's see what happens. So what I've taken here is anger, as you can see, and let's see how Rudraksh behaves on top of it. Let's see what Rudraksh has to say on anger. See, within seconds, you can actually see that it is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So just the vibrations of the words, even Rudraksh can, Rudraksh is capable of knowing them, and it tells us that okay, it is not good for life, as everybody knows, and we don't have to prove it. Everybody experiences it, and it experiences it in an unpleasant way. So as you can clearly see, it is going in anti-clockwise direction. So another experiment which I thought, another word which I thought is, let's experiment with one of the worst viruses what we have been hit in these times. So let's see if Rudraksh knows whether it is pro-life or not pro-life. So let's put coronavirus and see what it has to say. Now let me just be clear that I am not, this is not some kind of a cure or not some kind of magic or something. I'm just trying to explain how Rudraksh are intelligent and how they know through vibrations and through aura field. There is no conclusion to be made here, as I've already given an experiment of love and anger, so you can see that what I'm trying to say. So this is, as you can see, it's coronavirus. So let's say how Rudraksh behaves for this. So as you can see, even before 2 seconds, it has already started moving anti-clockwise. So everybody knows that yes, definitely it has caused much pain in the world, to human life. I will not say to the earth, but definitely to human life. So as you can clearly see, it is moving anti-clockwise. So definitely it is not good for human system. But let's try another. Let's make an improvisation. I'll just add a cure. I'll just add coronavirus cure. So as you can see, I have written coronavirus cure. So because I understand that if coronavirus is not good for human life, as it is already proving, so coronavirus cure will definitely help us to get rid of it. So let's see how this behaves. So as you can see that even like within 3 to 4 seconds it took, but definitely it is going in a clockwise direction. So we definitely know that yes, whenever the coronavirus cure comes, so whenever the cure comes for this deadly disease, we will definitely be, it is definitely going to be fruitful and positive, and it will help take away the disease from human system. So you can clearly see that it is going in clockwise direction. Now I've seen so many videos in these times where everybody is blaming China for letting this virus out in the world. Now I don't want to make any conclusions on this, but looking at the videos and looking at the evidence which is shown on the in the videos in the news, the virus has already caused much damage in China itself, and definitely in many other countries, but definitely in China because the news which are coming from China are unclear. Most of the cases which have been reported, I feel that they are underreported. That's what been shown in the news. So I just wanted to see, it is even the people over there are actually facing the problem. Normally when we blame any country, we are not blaming the people. I want to make it very clear because they are also the victims. It is the governing body which is actually supposed to be there. They have the powers, and it is actually the governing body who are actually supposed to take care of this, who are supposed to take care of this in a timely manner and in a proper in a compassionate manner as well, because you don't have to show compassion to only your people, but you definitely owe it to the world. And I feel that Chinese Communist Party is the one which everybody is blaming, and I feel to some extent, yes, definitely it is right that if you have seen the effects of the virus in last year in November, December, then you really took a lot amount of time to let know the world about the virus and about what is going on, what is the local issue, and how quickly it is spreading, and the news which is related to initial diagnosis of this virus. So I feel that Chinese Communist Party is one which is responsible, in my way, for not taking timely actions. Is what I will say. But as like these are all the conclusions which I can make which I can make when I see the news. Like I don't have any evidence. I just feel that like any other person who sees the news, he feels that okay, this is what we are seeing and this is how it is going to be. Like maybe this is how it is. But as we have seen, we just did an experiment where I didn't have coronavirus, but I just wrote it down. I saw that okay, according to my understanding, let's see how things behave. So now this is a totally hypothetical experiment, but I'm just curious to see how the Rudraksha will behave when I put Chinese Communist Party under it. So let's try that. So as you all can see that what I've written is Chinese Communist Party. Okay, so let's see that, and this is not to conclude, I'm just telling you, but I just want to see that if with those kind of experiments, let's see whether this is for or not for life. So as you can see that even within 2 or 3 seconds, you can see that the Rudraksha is actually moving in an anti-clockwise direction. So I definitely don't see this as a pro-life or anything which is positive to human life, and it is going in a really in a fast way in anti-clockwise direction. So whatever you want to make of it, you can make of it. For me, it is just that it is not pro-life. It is not for life. It has some negative aura to it. Whatever the news are coming, I'm quite inclined to believe them, as what you can see here right now. So there are a few other experiments which I want to do, which I think that maybe you can try it with your own words and you can post your own videos. I would love that. So this is one word which is a form of Shiva, which is Shiva. I think most of people must be knowing by now. So this is form of Shiva, which is gentle form of Shiva, so Shambho. So let's like I'm using this as a divine word. According to Hindu mythology, it is. So it is a special sound which has which has a key energy to it. So let's see how Rudraksha behaves on top of this. So as you can see, it is going in clockwise direction. I had no doubt, honestly, but just wanted to show you guys that how life is telling us. Life is actually unraveling itself in so many ways. It's just that we have to make sure that we are aware and we are willing to follow what it is trying to give to us or trying to teach us. So as you can see that it is going in clockwise direction. So we have seen for this. I don't know what you guys will experiment right now, because you can experiment with anything, but some things which I did, so let's do this. Now this is, I don't know whether many people know this or not, but in south there is a yogic temple which at Disha Yoga Center, which is Dhyanalinga, and Dhyanalinga is supposed to be the highest form of being one can ever see or be with. So let's see how Rudraksha behaves on Dhyanalinga, on the word Dhyanalinga. So as you can see that yes, definitely it is moving in clockwise direction. I just wanted to experiment with one more word, which will definitely, attract some eyes, and it is our beloved. And I feel that he's one of the hard-working prime ministers India has ever seen, at least in my time. Okay, so I'm going to put Narendra Modi, and let's see what happens. Okay, so here it goes. Let's see. It is definitely going clockwise, as you can see. So I am very happy that definitely our Prime Minister will and is and will be taking decisions good for human life, Indian people, whatever you say. But yes, it is going clockwise. Now these are just my ways of doing things. You can believe it, you cannot. It's all up to you. You should definitely experiment it just to see that how things are happening. How life is giving us hints in so many ways. It's just that we have to keep our eyes and ears open and just take the bounty of life as it is giving us. So these are all the experiments which I did. Just another, sitting at home. What else you can do? But if you have some more creative words, if you have some more creative things, then definitely please reply and comment. And if you have liked this video and if you have liked the idea, then definitely please do subscribe to my channel, which is Namaste Intelligence. And I will be coming up with many more videos. And I would definitely like for you to be surprised next time as well. Thank you. Namaste.